Hello guys, today I'd like to show you one very important feature in our cloud system for laser preventive maintenance. This feature is available here in the bottom left. It's called report problem. So the primary idea that we had behind this option was to give you all a possibility to report that something doesn't work as you think it should. So it means that basically you might find some bugs because it's just technical equipment. So it happens to have some features that might require some improvement, and you can report it here. This will, allow us to receive a ticket, and we will be working on it. This will be recorded and put into our work line. So please do not hesitate to use it if you find any difficulties using our system. However, the secondary purpose of this functionality was to give you also an option to suggest some new features. So if you think that we should probably consider development of some new features, new options, then please use this option as well. It's so easy to record it and submit it to us. So yeah, I strongly invite you to use this feature. Thank you very much and hope to see you soon.